Meow. Lesson 10. You know what makes you sound like a real English speaker? Asking questions. Think about it. Conversations aren't just statements. They're questions and answers, back and forth. What is your name? Where are you from? How are you? These are questions, and to ask questions, you need question words. Today, we learn the 6 most important question words. What, where, who, when, why, how. 6 words. But with these 6 words, you can ask almost anything. Curious cats ask questions. Smart students ask questions. Today, you learn how. Let's go. First question word. What? Use what when you want to know about a thing, an action, or information. Repeat after me. What? Common questions with what? What is this? Asking about an object. What is your name? Asking for information. What are you doing? Asking about an action. What time is it? Asking for time. What do you want? Asking about desires. Let us practice. Answer these questions out loud. What is your name? You answer, my name is your name. What are you learning? You answer, I am learning English, or English. What is this? You answer, a cat, or that is a cat. Good. You understand what? Second question word, where. Use where when you want to know about a place or location. Repeat after me. Where? Common questions with where. Where are you? Asking about location. Where is the bathroom? Asking for directions. Where are you from? Asking about origin. Where do you live? Asking about home. Where is my food? Very important question. Let us practice. Answer these questions. Where are you? You answer, I am at home, or I am here. Where are you from? You answer, I am from your country city. Where is the cat? You answer, here, or the cat is here. Perfect. You understand where. Third question word, who. Use who when you want to know about a person. Repeat after me. Who? Common questions with who. Who are you? Asking identity. Who is that? Asking about someone. Who is your teacher? Asking about a person's role. Who likes cats? Asking which person. Who is calling? On the phone. Let us practice. Answer these questions. Who are you? You answer, I am your name, or my name is your name. Who is your teacher? You answer, Professor Whiskers, or your teacher's name. Who likes English? You answer, I do, or I like English. Excellent. You understand who. Fourth question word, when. Use when you want to know about time, past, present, or future. Repeat after me. When. Common questions with when. When is your birthday? Asking about a specific time. When are you going? Asking about future time. When do you study? Asking about routine time. When is lunch? Very important. When did you arrive? Asking about past time. Let us practice. Answer these questions. When do you study English? You answer, every day, or in the morning, or now. When is your birthday? You answer, your birth month, or January, for example. When do cats sleep? You answer, all the time, or always. True story. Good. You understand when. Fifth question word, why. Use why when you want to know the reason or cause. Repeat after me, why. Common questions with why. Why are you learning English? Asking for reason. Why is the sky blue? Asking for explanation. Why do you like cats? Because they are awesome, obviously. Why not? A question that is also an answer. Morthian. When someone asks why, you usually answer with because. Example. Question. Why are you studying? Answer. Because I want to learn English. Let us practice. Answer these questions with because. Why are you watching this video? You answer, because I want to learn English or because I am learning. Why do you like English? You answer, because it is useful, or because I want to travel. Why do cats sleep so much? You answer, because they are tired, or because they are lazy. Hey, we are not lazy. We are energy efficient. Good. You understand. Why? Sixth question word, how. How is special. It asks about methods, the way you do something, or conditions, the state of something. Repeat after me. How. Common questions with how. How are you? Asking about condition feeling. You learn this. How do you say word in English? Asking about method. How old are you? Asking about age. How much is this? Asking about price. How do you spell that? Asking about method. How can also combine with other words. How much equals asking about quantity or price. How many equals asking about number. How old equals asking about age. How far equals asking about distance. Let us practice. Answer these questions. How are you? You answer, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good. How old are you? You answer, I am, your age, years old. How do you learn English? You answer, I watch videos, or I study every day. Perfect. You understand. How? Let us see all six together. The six question words. What equals things, actions, information. Where equals places, locations. Who equals people, identity. When equals time. Why equals reasons, causes. How equal methods, conditions. Quick test. I will give you a situation. You tell me which question word. You want to know a person's name. Use what. What is your name? You want to know someone's location. Use where. You want to know a person's identity. Use who. You want to know the time of an event. Use when. You want to know the reason. Use why. You want to know someone's feelings. Use how. Excellent. You know all six. Now, let us combine question words with the verb to be from yesterday. Formula. Question word plus to be plus subject. Examples. What is your name? Where are you from? Who is your teacher? When is your birthday? Why are you here? How are you? See, question word plus am is are equals perfect question. Your turn. Make a question. Pick any question word. Add is or are. Ask me something. Say it out loud. Good question. Homework time. Ask 1. Write down all 6 question words. What, where, who, when, why, how. Next to each one, write one question. Any question. Task 2. Today, ask yourself questions in English as you go about your day. What am I doing? Where am I going? Why am I doing this? Practice thinking in questions. Task 3. In the comments, ask me a question using one of these words. Examples. Where are you from, Professor Whiskers? What is your favorite food? Why do you teach English? Ask me anything. I will try to answer. In Lesson 11, we learned demonstratives. Is, at, these, those. These words help you point to things and describe what is near or far. This is my cat, near. Very useful. But today, you learned how to ask questions, the 6 question words. Now you're not just making statements. You're asking. You're curious. You're conversing. Keep practicing. Keep asking questions. Curious cats learn fastest. See you tomorrow. Meow.